everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make the simplest and most delicious pancake recipe. They turn out very airy, fluffy, and incredibly tasty. I promise you the recipe is very simple. If you're interested, stay with me. Let's see what we need. Milk. I have exactly 350 ml in the glass. Flour. You can use the exact same glass as the one with the milk. We have 250 grams of flour. Vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons. Sugar to taste. I have 4 or 5 tablespoons. A pinch of salt. Also 3 eggs. First, we need to warm our milk to room temperature so that it's nice and warm. I'm doing this using the microwave. We also separated our egg whites from the yolks, and we set the egg white mixture aside. Now let's work on the yolks. And sugar. We take our mixer. We start whisking our yolks. Now we add the sugar. And we keep whisking a little more. As we can see, we've whisked our yolk with the sugar. Our mixture has turned out like this. It's already lightened up. And now we can add the milk in there. The milk is warm. And it will help the sugar dissolve completely. We add the entire cup of milk. And we keep whisking. It's ready. We have a fluffy foam. And now we're going to add that in. Now we need to sift the flour, definitely through a sieve. The mixture will be fluffier and the pancakes will rise much better. Carefully with the mixer, we start mixing a little bit at first, at a low speed. We will be whisking of flour for 250 grams. It will be absolutely a little. We can only add if we see that the mixture is too runny. So if you have 350 milliliters of milk, feel free to take 250 grams of flour and don't be afraid. And then we just add, now you'll see the consistency of the batter in order to not to miss the right moment. Well, let's start whisking a little. This time I had just enough of everything there and bam. I would say the mixture is just the right consistency that I need. It's not runny and not too thick, just a little stretchy. Here, we're adding our vegetable oil and we continue whisking. Well, our main batter is ready. Now we will move on to the egg whites. Right now we will wash the whisks very well and dry them. And then we will whisk the egg whites, and in the meantime we can already put the pan on to heat up. I have a special pancake pan, it's very convenient and doesn't stick. We turn on the stove to low heat and slowly it will start to warm up. And we continue. We take the egg whites, a pinch of salt. We start beating the egg whites on low speed. And then, increasing the speed, we add a pinch of salt. And we beat it until it forms a fluffy foam. As we can see, our egg white mixture is as fluffy as possible and holds its shape well. And by the way, thanks to this mixture, we don't need to add any baking powder. If you want chocolate pancakes with cocoa, then you need to add your cocoa to this mixture beforehand, still without the egg whites, and whip it thoroughly. Then we add our egg whites and gently and carefully we fold them into the batter. We'll gently fold it in until have smooth mixture. And we indeed end up with a fluffy, airy mixture. And that means we're going to start cooking our pancakes now. On a preheated skillet, portion them out however you like, larger or smaller. We place our pancakes down. You won't have to wait long, you'll see. Right now, small bubbles are forming on the surface of the pancake as they start to bubble. We flip our pancake. We can check with a spatula. Gently we see it's browned. Flip it over. Just a little less than a minute. It's probably browning too. On the other hand, you can see that, and we take it off the heat onto our plate. And so we continue with you. With one. As soon as we see again bubbles, we check underneath and flip them. Our pancakes are ready, and I'm going to show you just how soft they are. Really, really appetizing. Soft and super tasty. But now we can heat up the kettle and brew delicious tea with our favorite jam and eat our pancakes. If you want to make more pancakes, then reduce the recipe. Now double all the ingredients. I'm 100% sure you'll succeed. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, stay tuned to the channel, and leave your comments. I'll be very happy to hear from everyone. Bye, and enjoy your meal.